Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the VCRUNTIME140.dll not found error when trying to launch a game. First, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. Make sure View By is set to Category, then click Uninstall a program under Programs. Look for Microsoft Visual C++ x64 Redistributable in the list. Right-click it, or select it and click Change at the top. When the setup window opens, click Repair and wait for the process to finish. Repeat the same steps for every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable installed on your PC, including all the x64 and x86 versions. If you cannot find the Microsoft Visual C++ x64 or x86 redistributables in the list, they are probably not installed. In that case, visit the official Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable download page, download both the x64 and x86 versions, run the installers, and complete the installation. Next, search for DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer and open the official Microsoft website. Download the installer, run it, and complete the installation. Once everything is installed, restart your PC and try launching the game again. Thanks for watching.